Here we are, friends. Time for another reading skills lesson. In our first lesson, we learned the sound. In the next lesson, we learned the sound. Ah. And today we're going to learn the t sound. T, t. Can you make that sound with me? T. Notice the shape of your mouth, where your teeth are, and what your tongue is doing. T, t. You're pushing air through your teeth, aren't you? Let's think of words that begin with the t sound, like tiger, taco, tin, tap, toe. Look at every time my mouth makes the same shape at the beginning of the word t. Go look in the mirror and see what your mouth is doing when you make the t sound. Let's play a guessing game. I'm going to give you some clues, and the answer will always be a word that begins with t. Are you ready? Okay, this is something that you have at the end of your foot. Your toes, t, toes. This is another word for wheel, and a car has 4 of these on it. Tires, good job. Okay, this is a number. It comes right after 9. 10, good job. And this is a job. I know someone who has this job. Her name is Mrs. Cooley. She's your teacher. Teacher. Friends, there are a lot of words that begin with the t sound. There also are a lot of words that end with the t sound. Listen carefully to the ending of these words. Bet, sit, vet, cat, gut, met. Did you hear it each time I ended the word with t? Are you ready to look at the picture we make when we want to write down the t sound? Here it is, letter T. T says t. Here is uppercase T and lowercase t. Use your finger in the air to make a big T and a little t. Let's watch how we write it on paper. Are you ready? Okay. We always start our letters at the top. We always start our letters at the top, at the top, at the top, at the top, at the top. We always start our letters at the top. Oh, top starts with T. So we're going to start at the top for an uppercase T. Big line down, big line across. Big line down, big line across. Really simple. Down and across. And the lowercase t actually looks a lot like the uppercase T. It's tall like the uppercase T, but the line across goes across the middle. Big line down, little line across. Big line down, little line across. Big line down, little line across. That's the way you make a T. Remember yesterday how we talked about flash words? Words that once we know the sounds the letters make, we can sound them out, blend those sounds together to read the words, like this one. Am. I am your teacher. Well, there's another flash word we know now. We can read this word. What sound did A make? Ah. What sound did T make? T. At. At. Blend it together. At. At. We are learning at home right now. So we're going to add that to our flashwords, another word that we can sound out. I bet you guys could even sound out this word now because we also know the sound. At. There's that word at. At. Mat. Mat. In front of your door, you probably have a mat where you wipe your feet. Good work. We're going to get some practice writing the letter T, which makes the T sound.